I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the uploaded video and the exact times you want viewers to jump to. This is practical and fast. Open the description, type your first timestamp using SS, or HH. SS includes 000 if you want a chapter start. Once done, label each stamp with a short, clear title so users scan visually. Make sure you don't rely on comments or pinned messages. The description is the authoritative place YouTube parses for clickable timestamps. Now add each timestamp on its own line, starting with the numeric time, then one space, then a concise label. Use leading zeros for hours like 01, 02, 03, so YouTube reliably recognizes the pattern. Once you paste all timestamps, preview by saving the description and clicking a timestamp. It should jump to the correct frame. If it doesn't, edit the time to the exact second while watching playback, because 1 second offsets change the link target. Finish by saving the description and testing timestamps on both desktop and mobile. YouTube behavior can vary. If a stamp is not clickable, make sure the line begins with a clean time string and no punctuation before it, then save again. Once working, optionally add chapter style with 0, 00 start, and evenly labeled sections for navigation. If anything goes wrong, edit times while watching the video to get frame-accurate seconds, then save and recheck immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.